What's up YouTube, this is Prince with ATP 101, and Apple just had their event where they announced 3 new iPhones and also Apple Watch Series 4. So the new Apple Watch is real dope. It starts at $400 and then $500 for the LTE version. I won't be getting it because I don't really need it. I already have a second gen sports series that I barely use. So yeah, I won't be getting that. But the iPhone that I'm getting, and Apple did announce 3. So they announced the iPhone XR. Let's go right here. iPhone XR, iPhone XS, and also the iPhone XsMax. I'll be getting the XsMax in 64 gigabytes. Why I'm getting such a low storage? Because I don't really use a lot of storage on my phone. So this is my iPhone 10. Had this since day one. Had it the first day. If I go to about and show you guys, 64 gigabytes, 33 gigabytes available right now. And when this thing comes out the box, it comes with 15 gigabytes or 20 gigabytes already gone just by software and apps that pre-installed. So I still have more than half of my original storage on this device. Haven't restored it. It's just running. This is how it's been running from day one. And yeah, still have all that storage, so I don't need to spend that extra money to get that higher storage. And the price for these phones, for the iPhone XR, it will be starting at $749, which that's a good price. But the iPhone XS and XsMax will be starting at $1,000 and $1,100. So that's too much. I think the XsMax should be at $1,000, and then the XS should be at $900. That's how I think they should have started, and then it went up with the storage. So for the storage for these two devices, so basically you're gonna get 64 gigabyte, 256, and 512 gigabytes. That 512 gigabytes will run you over $1,400. So don't get that one. You don't need all that storage and to waste all your money. Unless you're just balling out, you could do that. But storage and the pricing is all jacked up. As I said, it should have been $1,000 for the XsMax and then $900 for the XS, and then that will be the perfect. And the iPhone 10, like this one, these won't be selling anymore. These are pretty much done. So if we look at the lineup, iPhone XR, XS, and XsMax, so that's gonna be the lineup. iPhone SE and iPhone 6s gone, and also the iPhone 10 is not on the list. So it's just gonna be switched, because why would you? I mean, the pricing is all jacked up now, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'll be getting the iPhone XsMax, and I can't wait. Pre-order starts on Friday, and then it will be released on the next Friday, which is the 21st. I'll be getting it, so make sure to subscribe so you guys can watch all those videos. It's Prince with ATP 101. Peace. Thanks for watching.